Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a Ipsy unbagging for the month of, you got it, November. So I look extremely tired because I just got off of work, and you guys know I work 12-hour shifts, and as you can tell, it is 7:32 in the morning. So let's just unbag it. I'm not going to be doing a try-on style. I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and then I'm going to save everything again like how I did last month and wait for my BoxyCharm, do a BoxyCharm unboxing video, and then I will do a first impressions on everything. Okay, so if you want to see what I got for the month of November for Ipsy, then just keep on watching. So also let me know how you guys like this whole blurry thing. I'm trying to try different like styles of video, I guess. If you like the whole blur thing, then let me know. So here's my Ipsy bag. I really do love this cute new pink packaging they have. Okay, so this is the bag for the month of November. It's like this tannish bag with cheetah print on it. There's like light pink in it. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, there's light pink in it. So there's that. Okay, so we have the little card, and the theme is Wild Side. Of course, it comes with information, but yeah, this is what the card looks like. I don't know how I'm feeling about this blurry stuff. It's like freaking me out. So please let me know down below in the comment section if you think this blurry whatever is okay, or if you like it or not. So the first thing in my bag I'm pulling out looks like this. So it comes bubble wrapped. Just going to unbag it or take it out the bubble wrap. And this is from Dome Beauty. It's a Cheek Envy. It's basically a pressed powder blush, and I'm assuming the shade is called English Rose. This is what the box looks like. Focus. Focus. And I'm just going to take it out the box. Oh, this is cute. I mean, the packaging feels uber cheap. But that's what it looks like. And then I'm just going to open it. That is what the blush looks like. It smells good. It might be a bit too light, but I'm sure I can make it work. The next product is from Color Club. It's the nail lacquer. It's a 15 ml nail polish, and I believe the shade is called Catwalk. So the box looks like this. Okay, I'm taking this blurry stuff off because it's not focusing the way I want it to focus. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. So much better. Maybe if I'm doing like a voiceover video, I'll use that effect, but for now, this is what you get. Okay, so this is the color. It's like a nice red. On camera, it looks way more like brighter, but like in person, it's much more deep. I don't know. It's a cute nail polish, and I like the size. So the next product is from Pixie by Pectra, and I did see what I was getting, but when I saw this, I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna get like the full size because I've never seen a mini of this product. And lo and behold, there is an actual mini of like their eyeshadow duos. Like, this is like super small. It's like half the size of my pinky. Like, how cute is that? Okay, so I finally got the little plastic off that was impossible to take off. And this is what the shades look like. They're both shimmers. And I'm almost tempted to like try this as highlight because I think it'll look pretty. I really want to swatch it, but I'm going to save it for a first impressions. Then, wow, when you see the stuff like that you're getting like through the apps or spoilers, you think, wow, it's going to be a decent size. But here is the MAC Cleanse Off Oil, and it is a little sample size. I thought the size was going to be like 5 times the size. Like, honestly, this is, again, like not even the size of my pinky. But there's that. Like Ipsy. And then the last product in my bag is from It Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. This is what it looks like. So honestly, I feel like with this is bigger than this. Like, is this whole thing necessary? No, it is not. We really just need this. So we can just, you know, like, could they not have just sent this? Let's just waste cardboard and, you know, harm the environment. Why not? So I took it out the box, and this is the cute little sample size. I did have the like gel moisturizer and I loved it. So hopefully this works the same. It doesn't look like liquidy. It looks pretty thick. It's the consistency. So again, I will save this for a first impressions. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. I am really like happy with what I got as far as the actual products go, because it's kind of makeup heavy. I got like a duo eyeshadow from Pixie, which is in the shade Mineral Bronze. I'm not sure if I said that. Then I got a blush, and then I got the moisturizer and a makeup remover. And then of course I love nail polish because I do nails, so I always love when I get nail polish, especially brands that I haven't tried before. I don't believe I tried Color Club before. So yeah, if I had to give this bag like a rating from 1 through 10, I would give it a 8.5. I feel like the sizes were very disappointing. Honestly, I've been subscribed to Ipsy for maybe longer than a year now, and I feel like their sizes just keep getting smaller and smaller and smaller. And I believe they just raised their price from $10 to $12 a month. And if you're gonna raise your price, you should raise the size of the samples that you're giving. So yeah, especially samples that you could probably get for free. Just my thoughts. So on that note, that brings this video to an end, and I am going to be announcing this early. I don't think I'm going to continue with my Ipsy subscription, just for the simple fact that I don't feel like it's worth it anymore. I'm really into BoxyCharm at the moment. I feel like I'm paying $25, but I'm getting well over like 3 times value back from that subscription service. Whereas Ipsy, I'm paying $12 and I feel like I'm getting $5 worth of stuff. The only good thing, like full size product that I've ever gotten from Ipsy, besides like a lipstick or a nail polish, was this highlighter in collaboration with Madison Miller. And if they could do more stuff like this, I would probably stay subscribed, but I don't see them doing that. So for me, it's really not worth it to stay subscribed. I'm pretty sure I'm just going to cancel, and I may and or may not try to get Boxy Premium. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing any more Ipsy unbaggings after December. So I'm so sorry to announce that. And if you did enjoy watching my Ipsy unbaggings, you should definitely check out my BoxyCharm unboxings because they are 10 times better. Also, if I sound dry, is because I am. I'm super tired and I need water or coffee right now. I should be like sleeping because my boyfriend's at work and my son is with my mom. This is the only day this really happens, which is on a Monday I'm filming. So Monday mornings I come out from work, come home, have a cup of coffee with my boyfriend, then he leaves, and then I sleep. I try to sleep and then go back to work at 6, come out at 6. You know, it's a whole routine I have, but Mondays is really my only me days. So I should probably get to sleep now, which I most likely am. Probably gonna take off this face. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I can barely keep my eyes open. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below what you guys think about what I got in this month's Ipsy glam bag, and if you liked it or what you got, if you have Ipsy glam bag. So yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.